Hey guys, Robert Maxwell with the Man Factory, and in this video I want to talk to you about starting points. Everyone's got to have a starting point, whether you're starting to build a house, or you're starting your journey of fitness, or you're starting to train for a marathon, or you're starting to prepare for a new job. Whatever goals and metaphorical mountains you have to climb in life, starting points are really the most important thing. They are your foundation. And I want to show you here one of my starting points when it comes to weight training. This pair of 15-pound dumbbells dates back to when I was about 10 years old, and my dad had this pair of dumbbells sitting in the shed beside my parents' house, and I would use these in the mornings waiting for the school bus every morning from the time I was 10 up until I was about 16, 17, when I got a little more serious. Curls was my main and only weight training exercise, and these are the dumbbells I used. I still have them down here in my home gym with all my other weights, plates, and barbells, and they're still here to remind me about starting points. Starting points don't have to be particularly good. They don't have to be particularly knowledgeable. I knew nothing about weight training when I started curling those dumbbells. Even with the light weight, I would do really poor form. I would swing my back as I was doing the curls waiting for the bus. And eventually, by the time I was, 14 or 15, I think, I got up to 100 curls in total, so 50 on each arm, before I was just totally burned out. But, looking back, they weren't clean curls at all. They were more like cheat curls. I just knew absolutely nothing back then about, proper form, or that I should be training other parts of my body, maybe just a little bit for the legs as well. Didn't know any of that. But curling with those dumbbells, doing curls in those on those school mornings, waiting for my bus, was my starting point for training and getting strong, and ultimately that's what was the first step in getting me where I am today. Setting up this great home gym, training here, coaching other guys. My passion for weight training was unlocked by the starting point, the very simple, very inadequate starting point of these two 15-pound dumbbells. So I tell you this story to just encourage you. If you're thinking of starting any sort of new venture, and you're ill-equipped in terms of what you're physically capable of doing, or in terms of the time or money you have available, those things don't have to stop you. There's an old saying in the business world, ready, fire, aim. It's kind of a backward saying of the old ready, aim, fire. So you make adjustments after you've already started to try, as you can and as you're able to, and as they make sense to do. So, just start. That's the main thing. Just start the thing that you want to do, that you're passionate about. And in the end, you'll get where you need to go if you stay determined, if you never stop learning, and if you never stop trying. I hope you find that helpful. I know that for me, it's been a lifelong theme in my own life. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.